While we continue to reopen the economy, we must also be aware of the happenings around the globe. Mr. Chairman and Honorable Minister of Health have made reference to specific incidences in India, Turkey, Brazil, and also South Africa. These were taken with serious concern, and we continue to monitor what is going on in these countries. We sympathize with the people of these countries because it is really a very trying time, particularly for India, that is recording over 300,000 cases a day and recording over 2,000 deaths. It is not easy. India is a prime destination for medical tourism for Nigeria. We know that many Nigerians like to travel to go to India, but now we see the situation that the country has found itself in. While we urge Nigerians to limit all travels to only essential travel, particularly to these affected countries, we will continue to urge Nigerians to also comply with public health measures that are put in place and to continue to ensure that we comply with the regulation. It is important to note that while we are opening these international flights, there is also a risk, that is the risk of importation of additional cases into the country. We have to balance the economy with also our public health. This calls for increased vigilance on our side from the Federal Ministry of Health, the Port Health Authority, the state government, public health departments, and the Nigeria Centers for Disease Control to continue to man our borders and ensure that people that come into this country are either COVID negative or they are safe to pass into our communities. The state governments have been of tremendous assistance. They have all collaborated with us, particularly the government of Kano State, the government of Rivers State, and also the government of Enugu State. They are providing quarantine facility, which will be used for passengers who do not comply to this protocol. And they are also providing additional security as well as logistics for transport of conveying passengers from the airport to the quarantine facility. We are now, for the Muslim Ummah, we are in the month of Ramadan, and very soon we will commence Salah celebration. Let us remember that COVID-19 is still here with us, and we have to take all the necessary precautions to ensure that we remain safe and we also protect our loved ones. We must continue to use face masks in public places. We must continue to ensure that we avoid overcrowding in areas.